Hello folks! In today's video, we are looking at ephemeral identities for Zero Trust automation. We will go through a GitHub action pipeline that securely connects to our private resources. Once the workflow is done and the client disconnects, the ephemeral worker credentials are cleared up and we're left with nothing but a clear audit log for visibility. Quickly looking at our workflow, we'll install our Border Zero CLI, then we'll start our ephemeral node, obtain access to our internal resources, execute some database queries, we'll be inserting things into the database, and then we'll run some commands on an SSH server. Okay, let's trigger it up. And while this is spinning up, we'll jump into our portal and have a look at our devices. Right? We have a brand new device that's labeled an ephemeral device. And if we check our workflow again, we'll see that it's happily executing all the commands we've given it. Completes, and is happy. All while our device is ephemerally registered in the portal. So now the few minutes passed, and let us go back into our devices panel. And then here we'll see that our ephemeral device has been cleaned up. It's gone. All the credentials that have been temporarily used are also gone. And in the sessions log, we only see the history of what happened. So for example, the commands that we executed on the SSH server are being logged. With Border Zero, you can get the best out of your automation with full benefits of no standing privileges. We saw how a pipeline created an ephemeral device and performed tasks on private resources. Once completed, the ephemeral privileges were cleared up while giving us a full audit log of what happened. So are you ready to give it a try? Sign up for our fully featured community edition, join our Slack channel, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.